This is the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Thursday, the 26th of December. I'm Michael Groff. The active weather pattern continues across the southwest for the rest of the week, with chances of rain picking up once again by this afternoon and tonight here in the valley. Could even see some locally heavy rain along with a few thunderstorms. The heaviest rain will actually stay to the west of us, though, across western Arizona and southeast California. Could be some higher elevation snows as well, and temperatures, of course, will remain below average also. All right, let's get into it. First, the Almanac from Christmas Day. A high of 57 degrees. The low was 46. We picked up 22 hundredths of an inch of rain, bringing our monthly total to 47 hundredths of an inch. Still well behind on rainfall for the year, where we will likely stay, but we're going to cut into that deficit a little bit more tonight. Outside now here at 5:30 a.m. We've got mostly clear skies out there. There are a couple of patches of fog over the far southeast valley. We sit at 46 degrees at Sky Harbor, dew points at 39, humidity 76%. The winds are light, and the barometer is falling. Temperatures out there this morning: 35 at Fort McDowell, 36 Goldfield, 37 in Gilbert, 38 up on Thompson Peak, but most of us across the metro are in the 40s. The upper air look this morning shows a deep low coming down the California coast. Last night's OZ observation from Vandenberg Air Force Base indicated 500 millibar heights were at 5,370 meters, which represents a record low for the date. And so that shows you the intensity of this low that's coming our way, although it will be weakening as it transitions into Arizona tonight and tomorrow. The watch warning map, we've got flash flood watches for parts of Yuma, La Paz, Mojave, Riverside, Imperial, and San Bernardino counties. That's to the west of us. A dense fog advisory over northwest Pinal County, and some winter weather advisories over the northern and eastern mountains of our state. Elsewhere, winter weather advisories, parts of North Dakota, Minnesota, with dense fog advisories in sections of Wisconsin. They're going to have temperatures pretty close to where we're at today up in Milwaukee. Highs getting into the low and middle 50s, so unusual weather for that part of the country as well. Dense fog advisories over the southern plains also. Convective outlook for today: no organized severe weather anywhere across the contiguous U.S. And here's the precipitation outlook valid through next Thursday morning from the WPC. And rain amounts in Phoenix generally at or under a half inch. Of course, any one spot could get more than what's shown here. This represents an average across the region. And we'll take a look at what's happening now as we check out the models. Here we go to the GFS, the 06Z run, valid at 2 o'clock this afternoon. And there's our deep upper low coming down into the Southern California coast. A diffluent flow out ahead of it, and plenty of forced ascent and decent moisture advection. So down at the surface, we'll have mostly sunny skies this morning, a couple of patches of fog possible, mainly to the south and east of Phoenix. Then clouds will increase this afternoon. We'll see a chance of rain coming in, maybe even a few thunderstorms this afternoon too. And some of those storms, especially to the west of us, across southeast California, southwest Arizona, could put down some hail. Highs this afternoon in the upper 50s and low 60s. Taking a look at one of our high-resolution models, this is the HRRR at 6 o'clock this evening. And it shows a band of showers and embedded thunderstorms moving into the valley at that point. I'd say the best window for rain, or at least when the rain will be setting in, will be sometime around 4, 5, 6 o'clock this afternoon, and then it will continue overnight. And speaking of tonight, rain becomes likely. In fact, we'll go with a 100% chance of rain, with isolated thunderstorms continuing overnight. Low temperatures down into the 40s. And then tomorrow, we'll start out with rain in the morning, then we'll see some peaks of sun possible by the afternoon, but still a chance of showers and some isolated thunderstorms. And again, those thunderstorms might put down some small hail in a couple of spots and some gusty winds. High temperatures on the cool side too, mid-50s. All right, as we go to Saturday, we'll start out with partly sunny skies, maybe some patches of fog in the morning. High temperatures will be on the cool side again, mid-50s. Sunday, areas of fog in the morning, otherwise sunny. Continued below average temperatures, highs low to mid-50s. Monday, we have another low diving down the Southern California coast. Still quite a bit of forecast uncertainty with this feature. The latest run of the GFS does suggest that this low stays mainly to the west and south of Arizona as it dives off of the northern Baja coast, eventually moves across northern Mexico, and that would keep the dynamics and moisture mostly south of us. But we'll go with a small chance of rain for Monday afternoon, mostly cloudy skies, highs upper 50s to about 60. Same thing on Tuesday, small chance of rain, highs close to 60. Wednesday at this point looks likely to be a dry day, but again, model spread pretty high, so we'll keep an eye on it. Partly to mostly cloudy skies, high temperatures close to 60. Here's a week from today. This is Thursday, the 2nd of January. That low now moving across northeast Mexico, a dry northwesterly flow behind it. Temperatures remain below average, and the sky becoming mostly sunny at that point. And then going out 10 days, this is the end of the forecast period, Saturday, the 4th of January. If that verifies, pretty strong ridge building in, heights above average, temperatures moving to above normal levels. But that still remains to be seen. Again, quite a bit of model spread here. Confidence in any one solution is not particularly high. All right, let's check out the temperatures off the GFS ensemble through the period. It keeps us below normal for the next several days. In fact, highs may ultimately go to near normal or even slightly above average levels as we get into the new year. But overall, no major warm-ups if the ensemble is to be believed. All right, that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you enjoy our videos, be sure to like, subscribe, share, and click that notification bell so that whenever we post a brand new one, you'll be alerted. Your comments, questions, and suggestions always encouraged as well. Thank you so much for watching. As always, I really do appreciate it. Be safe out there and have yourselves a wonderful Thursday.